So, today's been a bit of a busy day. Been just getting on with the car. I've now put all of this back in. Gonna need to do some grinding down on that, but most importantly, I got this bit done. Which would have been an MOT failure for sure. It should pass quite easily now. Still got a piece to weld into there. And maybe the same on the other side. But time's running out now. I need to get it done. I need to try and get in for an MOT later this week. This coming week. See how bad it really is. Might need some new bushes for the wishbone. Other than that, I've got a few little pieces to weld in. But today's been quite productive, thankfully. Still got that piece there to weld back in, but that's no biggie. This is the piece to go down in there, and then cap it at the bottom one way or another. Still got to do the same thing to that side. A tiny little piece at the front up there, and then put everything back in the car and book it in for an MOT, I guess. Oh yeah, I got to sort the exhaust out as well. Got to weld a little piece in, I believe, probably maybe like an inch on the front where that elbow bit, the flexi bit is. A little piece here, somewhere there. You probably can't see, it's too dark. And a bit there. Bit there. And a piece there. But yeah, not too far away now. That's where I'm at. Got any questions? Comment, like, and subscribe. Cheers, catch you on the next one.
Church! New show dates, new merch. Instagram, I am Big Snap. Yeah. Snapchat, I am Big Snap. Facebook, Big Snap Official. Let's get it. Haters on the gram say I ain't country enough, so I called Tubbs, bought some toys, started tearing shit up. Ass Hicks about last night, we wasn't knee deep in that mud. It wasn't no special occasion, we were just fucking it up. My boots was filled up with that Tennessee Creek water on a fast pace. Trying to get back to the globe, try to 40 shows on the books. This year ain't done yet, and I dismiss anybody that's trying to stop that. We ain't gotta plan no video, just film my life and keep the fucking cameras rolling, cause we might die tonight. Cause I'm a down south, dirty, dirty, crazy fucking white boy. Keep the cameras rolling, cause we might just die tonight, boy. Down south, dirty, dirty, crazy fucking white boy. Keep the cameras rolling, cause we might just die tonight, boy. Down south, dirty, dirty, crazy fucking white boy. Keep the cameras rolling, cause we might just die tonight, boy. Down south, dirty, dirty, crazy fucking white boy. Keep the cameras rolling, cause we might just die tonight, boy.
Way down south, where the devil makes his whiskey cut, where Charlie Daniels snatched that golden fiddle like he owned it, son. Where country boys say snapping like some hungry alligators. Don't go playing in my muddy water unless you wearing waders. Yeah, we're too country for rap, and we're too toxic to touch, and stay rolling like 50 deep in them trucks, deep in the cut. So when you hear exhaust clapping off the road like applause, just know you in the land of loaded guns and big ass balls. Yeah, we stay chopping and getting, smoking and sipping and flopping, cutting donuts in the field until the motor starts knocking. I'm on my Craigslist shit, bitch, I'm backwoods rich. It's gonna take a fucking bullet to get under my skin.
I'm a down south, dirty, dirty, crazy fucking white boy. Keep the cameras rolling, cause we might just die tonight, boy. Down south, dirty, dirty, crazy fucking white boy. Keep the cameras rolling, cause we might just die tonight, boy. Down south, dirty, dirty, crazy fucking white boy. Keep the cameras rolling, cause we might just die tonight, boy. Down south, dirty, dirty, crazy fucking white boy. Keep the cameras rolling, cause we might just die tonight, boy.
She's that bitch who resting over. Look, that bite, you bit the apple. You know me, I'm hard to tackle. Break me down, homie, you wish you couldn't catch that fish with golden tackle. Money isn't plenty, it's not enough, it's not any. Come on, just use the Jimmy. They all want to bust a nut in, drop the bomb, push the button. Be the king, be the sultan. Some of this shit is so insulting. Break the broken, make the chosen, choose and lose the rope that tied you down and soaked in gas and dapping like the mass and deep. You smoking, choking on the fumes, the latest news. Life's a wicked, life's a mystery, and please don't be the witness to the sickness. They'll just end it when it's something that would run from the steps of country fresh.